Beach. And looking for some shark teeth. Doing some shark teeth hunting. So if you look long enough, look hard enough, you should be able to find some shark teeth. So see if I could bring one back home to Christian. See what I can find. All right, well, it didn't take me that long out here at Venice Beach to find this, the shark's tooth. So if we zoom in closer, you can see that that is a shark's tooth. That's the other side of it. So yeah, got lucky. Didn't take that long. See if I can find some more. Bring these home to baby Christian. Look what Dad got for you, Christian. He's a baby boy. A bad baby boy. A bad baby boy. So I got lucky and found another one. Let's see how many I can get for today. Alright, so after a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, I was able to get these mini shark teeth out here at Venice Beach. And found quite a few. And there's a bug on my hand right there. Just hanging out. Alright, he's gone. Yeah. So Venice Beach is known for shark teeth hunting. You can find a bunch of these things if you ever come out here. Highly recommend it. It's really fun. And it's a gorgeous place. So yeah, Dada's gonna bring these home to you, Christian. I'll never say I didn't do anything for you.